New to Fortnite Reload, here's how to jump in and start dominating in under a minute. Fortnite Reload is a fast-paced, solos or squad-based mode where classic weapons and POIs return, but with a twist. Respawning is key. Downed? Don't quit. Teammates auto-respawn after a cooldown. As long as one squadmate is still alive, teammates will always respawn. Stay sneaky to keep the squad alive. When playing solos, you can still respawn up to 2 times. But remember, respawns are disabled in the endgame. Don't fret. Remaining respawn chances are converted to overshields. It's all about raw skill, fast edits, and tight builds. When playing squads or duos, you'll need communication and chemistry. Land together, stick tight, and don't full sand alone. Be the last team standing. It's a mix of Team Rumble and OG Battle Royale, perfect for fast grind sessions. That's Fortnite Reload, fast, fun, and unforgiving. Now load in, lock in, and show them what a real Fortnite OG can do.